Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing well at home. Now, in this video, I am going to teach you GK, and today we are going to discuss a new lesson which is Go Green. And here it is given quiz time. So, here is given some questions. I am going to tell you the answers of these questions, and I think in the Google Classroom you can ask me if you have doubts. So first question is, when was the ozone layer hole over the Antarctic discovered? So this was done in 1985. Second is, how many liters of water is used to manufacture 1 ton of paper? यानी कि 1 टन पेपर बनाने में कितने लीटर्स पानी जो है वो बर्बाद होता है, यूज होता है, एंड दैट इज 40,000 liters. Can you imagine? 40,000 liters वाटर जो होता है वो यूज होता है to make 1 ton of paper. Third one, which country emits the large amount of CO2? This is China, because China is the most populated, you can say, population wise country, and he is the most emitting CO2, you can say, country. Fourth one, name the term used to be denote substances that can be broken down into microorganism, and that is called biodegradable. Okay. Next, what percent of the world's oxygen content is emitted by Amazon rainforest, sorry. See, वर्ल्ड्स का कितना परसेंट ऑक्सीजन जो है वो Amazon forest what produce करता है, which is about 20% of the world's oxygen emitted. मतलब 20% सिर्फ और सिर्फ Amazon से emit होता है. Next is, which day it's celebrated as International Day of Preservation of Ozone Layer? Ozone layer को बचाने के लिए that kind of days people are celebrating, but I don't think so it is working, because they are not listening at all. We are also not listening. Nobody is listening. So this day is celebrated on 16th of September. Next, when and where was the last international conference on global warming held? This was held on 2009 Copenhagen. Next is, which scientist discovered the greenhouse effects? Who discovered? This is Joseph Fourier. Next is, which berry is used in Ayurvedic and Unani medicines? Which berry? This is gooseberries, which is used in Unani and Ayurvedic medicines, which is used in, I think, mostly our country, India. It is a serious dust disease causes due to inhaling coal mine dust. This is black lung. यानी कि जो लोग कोयले के खदान में काम करते हैं, उनके जो लंग्स होते हैं, उनके लंग्स काले पड़ जाते हैं, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्लैक, यू कैन से, एयर, डस्ट की वजह से. नेक्स्ट इज, द रिवर इज इटली डिस्चार्ज 234 tons of arsenic, मीन्स पॉइजनस केमिकल इनटू सी एवरी ईयर. सी, इतना ज़्यादा टन आर्सेनिक, यू कैन से, पॉइजनस केमिकल्स छोड़ी जाती हैं, एंड दैट इज O. And the last one, which fuel does not causes any pollution in the air and hence called the ideal fuel? This is called CNG. CNG means that this is basically a kind of gas. Right now everybody is preferring this kind of what they call it, what we call it, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में, ईंधन, we call it. Next is environmental terms. Now what is environmental terms? See that. First is written, thinning of ozone layer which protect life on earth is absorbing by ultra radiation from the sun. This is called ozone hole. Ozone hole is done by us people. We people are doing ozone hole. Ozone is a layer, that this is what it is telling, what it is doing, it is absorbing the ultraviolet rays. ये सूर्य की हानिकारक जो ultraviolet rays है उनको absorb करने का काम करती है, and we are simply making holes. This is called ozone hole. Next is the increase of Earth's average surface temperature due to the effects of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse effects की वजह से बहुत सारे what problems हो रही हैं, occurs हो रहा है. This is called global warming. Next is indiscriminate cutting down the trees. This is called deforestation. You know that. To convert open land into forest by planting trees on their seeds. This is called afforestation. Fifth, construction of containments to the natural environment causes adverse change. It is called pollution. Sixth, the rainwater turns acidic when pollutants dissolve in air. This is called acidic rain. Acid rain, it is, what happening these days. Seventh is air, wind, water, wind, sea, waves and glaciers carry away the soil. This is called soil erosion. It is a scientific study of relation of organisms with their environment. It is called ecology. And then it is a variety of all life forms of the earth, which is called biodiversity. And then all the food chains of community mix up the web. This is called food web. 11th one, the form human. The harmful human-made gases contain chlorine and carbon, which are responsible for the destroying the ozone layer. This is called chlorofluorocarbon. 12th number, the region of Earth's atmosphere between the stratosphere and exosphere, which is called ionosphere. Now the 14th one, the amount of water vapor present in the air and varies according to the temperature and pressure of the air, which is called humidity. And the last one, the state of atmosphere of a particular place of during a time, which is called weather. See, I was just reading and giving the answer of this, all questions, because I want that the answers. If you have any doubts, any queries, we will discuss in tomorrow's, on the next Google Classroom period. Henceforward, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.